Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how I prepare bushmeat using rabbit from my backyard. I lived in the city and recently I began to crave for bushmeat, the type my parents cooked when I was young. So I got a quick fix. Come, let me show you how I did it. So I gave it to my hubby who helped me to prepare it. For the other ingredients, I have the red, the green chili pepper, habanero pepper, onion, seasoning cube, salt, then scent leaf, of course oil, red oil. So this is my prepared bushmeat. I cut it into two. I'm using just half of it. For the preparation, it's just to slaughter it, then get it roasted in an open fire. After it is completely roasted, wash thoroughly and remove all the partners inside. Then roast over the fire and you have something like this. So after cutting, you go and wash. It's washed, and this other ingredients I want to prepare now. My habanero pepper. I'm blending it using my manual blender because I want that local taste. I don't want to use blender to blend. So here is it, roughly chopped. Then for the green and red chili pepper, I sliced them, as you can see, finely sliced. I also cut my scent leaf. I sliced them so tiny. These are all the ingredients prepared. So the next thing now is to get ready to cook. On the fire, I put my pot and my washed meat, bush meat now. It's no longer rabbit meat. So I add my salt. That is the seasoning cube, the onions. As much as possible, I'm using minimal seasoning. Then I add a little bay leaf. Sorry, I didn't showcase this bay leaf before. Then just a little water, because I want to get that local taste. Remember, I just slaughtered this meat. So the flavor will be there, the meat will be very tasty. So with that little quantity of water, I'll make sure I boil it till the water is dried up. In another pot, I'll add my little oil. And add my onion, fry the onion a little. Wow, I'm already having that village vibe. I'm adding my habanero pepper now. Here come in my green and red chili pepper. Make sure you fry and you stir it while frying. This local dish is not readily available in the city, and whenever you want to get this kind of bush meat in the city, the cost is on the high side. So I've added my scent leaf now. As you can see, the color is inviting. Just cover and let it simmer a little. I love getting things done by myself. So what I just do is to go to the backyard and get my rabbit, prepare it like we are preparing it now. And I tell you, it's not different from those village bushmeat. So you can try it. If you don't have it at your backyard, just get a live rabbit from those who are selling it. So after a while, my meat is almost done. As you can see, the water is almost dry, so I'll put in all the pepper and now fry everything together. Beautiful. I remember how my mother used to prepare it while I was young. Like the way we call it in my local language, frying it and frying now. So not with oil, there is pepper in it. So our bush meat is almost ready. The aroma here is inviting. So as you can see, there is no any liquid dairy. So our bush meat is ready. Of course, after preparation, the next thing is to get set to eat. You can see this head. That's my favorite, because when I was young, they would give the head to me. The head of any bush meat brought home by my parents, by my father. Be it grass cutter, big rat, bush rabbit, rats. So today I'm remembering home. It's yummy. It's delicious. It's inviting. Will you try this recipe? Let me know in the comment section. Unless I forget, if you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe so that when I come again with a village recipe, you will be notified. So thank you for watching. See you in my next video.